Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use a custom email address and set up your own email address through Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm using a guide for this. The reason behind this being because if you want a custom email address, you're going to need to have your own bot domain or use a third-party tool such as Google Workspace, which I will get into shortly. But yeah, since I cannot purchase anything at the moment, I will be using this guide to help you guys through this. Now, as you can see, you can use Google Workspace, and that is pretty self-explanatory. You just go to Google Workspace, which was formerly G Suite, and then you can set up a new account, and through that account you can set up a third-party email address. Now, all email addresses through Squarespace will be hosted by a third party. Squarespace does not host any sort of email service, so you're going to need to go over and go to Google Workspace and set up your email from there. Now, once you've set that up, you can sign up through Squarespace to the Google Workspace, and then your payment and everything will be managed through Squarespace, but you'll be using Google's interface to use everything. Now, you can also use an email address you already have. If you have one from a third party, which is Google Workspace, you can use it with your Squarespace site. And as you can see, if it is linked to a third-party domain, connecting it to Squarespace won't affect the way your email is hosted. It'll just show through Squarespace, and you can manage your things through Squarespace as well. And if it's linked to a Squarespace domain, you can continue using your third-party service by changing your domain's MX records, which I currently don't know exactly how to do, so I'd rather avoid showing you anything just to not confuse you. And yeah, as you can see, if your email is not hosted by Squarespace, it is always hosted externally, and the sort of elements you can go through or remember it by are: the site is always hosted by Squarespace, custom domains can be hosted by either Squarespace or a third-party provider, or if you have your email is always hosted by a third party, which is either Google Workspace, which I do recommend, or another provider. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.